Hey everyone! If you're managing type 2 diabetes, you know that what you eat makes a huge difference. But what if I told you that making some simple changes to your diet could help stabilize your blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full and satisfied? Today, I'm diving into 20 delicious high-protein meals that are game changers for anyone with type 2 diabetes. Living with type 2 diabetes means being super mindful of your diet. It's not just about cutting sugars and carbs. It's about finding the right balance of nutrients. Protein is key because it keeps your blood sugar levels stable and helps you feel full. Plus, if you're aiming to lose weight, it's a fantastic ally. But let's be real, finding time and inspiration to cook healthy meals can be challenging. I get it. So, I've put together a list of 20 high-protein meals that are not only good for you, but also delicious. Let's start with breakfast. How about Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, or avocado toast with scrambled eggs? You could also try protein smoothies with spinach and almond milk, or oatmeal with almond butter and banana. For lunch, you could whip up a grilled chicken salad with quinoa, or a salmon and vegetable stir-fry with tofu. Lentil soup with a side of whole grain bread is another great option. And don't forget the turkey and avocado wrap with mixed greens. For dinner, try grilled shrimp with zucchini noodles, or chicken and vegetable kebabs with quinoa. Baked salmon with sweet potato and green beans is a classic. And how about beef and broccoli stir-fry with brown rice? One of my all-time favorite high-protein meals is grilled chicken and vegetable skewers with quinoa. You marinate the chicken in your favorite herbs and spices, throw it on the grill, and serve it with a side of quinoa and steamed veggies. It's simple, satisfying, and packed with flavor. Incorporating high-protein meals into your diet can make a big difference in managing type 2 diabetes. It helps control blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. So, consider adding some of these meals to your weekly menu. If you've got a favorite high-protein meal that's helped you manage your type 2 diabetes, share it with us in the comments below. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Your subscription helps this channel grow. Thanks for watching and take care.